Hi, my name is Kimiesha Jackson. I'm a Gelish Master Educator. I started out my nail journey as, part-time hustle to make extra money. And the more I practiced, the more I became one with owning my craft. I have been a Gelish Master Educator for the last 3 years. My responsibility as an educator is to train and educate people who are already in the industry. The whole process was a little bit challenging because I am from the Caribbean. Like growing up, seeing nail techs, you only thought nail techs just sat behind a manicure table. Nobody told me that these opportunities exist. And as years progressed, I fell more and more in love with doing what I do. Doing nails is my addiction. Not only doing nails, but just inspiring others, talking about nails, meeting people, learning about the different walks of life, their experience. I've worked in Jamaica, I've worked in the Cayman Islands, I've worked in Bermuda, I'm now in Florida. I've worked in a few different states doing demo, talking to people, just meeting them, learning what makes them love what they do. And it does solidify what I do. So getting up every day, I feel like, success is always about doing what you're passionate about, getting out there, making a change in someone else's life. And if I'm not doing that, then I'm not happy.